deep technology reviews. We are going to explore a wireless cloud outdoor IP camera from Wansview. So this is a W5 model with HD video recording facility. So this is available in two colors, black and white. So this one is white. Okay, so let's see what's there inside the box. Cool. So there is a small user manual about the camera, and yeah, it is German, French and Italian. So yeah, this is a small sticker which is the guide for the exact drilling where you have to do the drilling. It is helpful during the installation of the camera on the wall. And here is the lifetime warranty card. Okay, so let's see what's there in. So there are a set of screws to fix the camera onto the wall. There is a screwdriver, one Ethernet cable to connect the camera to the internet. Here, this is some accessory which should be used while installation. Few more screws, spare screws probably. Here is the antenna for the wireless network connectivity, and here is the camera. Wow, it's not too heavy. Okay. So it's really looking very nice. Here is the lens of the camera. Here is probably it's the sensor, motion sensor. This is a notch to connect this antenna at this place, and here you can see the hinge is for the rotation of the camera for the installation. Maybe probably I need to unscrew it a bit so that it can move easily. And there is cable attached to the camera. Let's see what's there. So it's pretty good in the length, probably 1 meter, and it has 3 ports. Here you can see there is one port for the Ethernet connection. This is the reset button. So if you want to reset the camera, you can use this one. I just close it now. And this is for the power supply. Normally the cameras which are connected to the Ethernet, they get power supply from the Ethernet cable, but since this is the wireless camera, so it has to be connected to the power supply. Okay, and there is a power cable. So this has to be plugged into some power supply, and this cable should be connected to this port. So the length of the cable is really very good. Probably it's more than 2 meters. So that will be easier to install. Let's start with plugging into some power supply, and then let's see how the camera works. Okay, so I have connected this power supply to the port, but first have a look more about the camera. So here you can see it is two-way motion. This is for up down, and probably when we can just unscrew it and then it will rotate it like 360 degrees. And there is a small speaker here on the camera. Probably it is for two-way communication. Okay, so first I will unscrew the screw a bit so that we can see how smoothly it is turning into the different directions. So I'm unscrewing it a bit. I'm unscrewing this one also a bit. Okay, so here you can see now it's very easy. You can just set it as you want, and then you can screw it further so it will be fixed like that. And also, like this is the 360-degree rotation. Okay, so probably these are the screws which are spare screws of these locations. When for some reasons if you lost them, you can use this one. So I screwed it a bit more, so I will just unscrew it a bit. Yep. Okay, so let's connect the power supply to this port, and I hope this speaker will say something, because normally nowadays. Okay, so the power supply is in, and you can see here the orange light is on this Ethernet port. So it's just on, it's not blinking at the moment. Oh, now it started blinking, so probably it is ready for the connection. And there will be a phone application for this to configure. Okay, so yeah, in the user manual you can find this QR code where you can download the application, and it is available for Google phones for Android through the Google Play Store, and also for the iPhones through Apple Store. Okay, so I will try to install it on my phone. So okay, the name of the application is Wansview Cloud. So I will just okay, so Wansview Cloud, I just installed it on my phone. So it will take a while to get installed. It's a 93 MB app. Okay, so yeah, camera looks cool. Let's connect the antenna to the camera. So cool. So it's installed, and app is also installed on my phone. I'm just opening it. Okay, so the application is installed, Wansview, and let's configure it. Okay, so it's asking for registration, the email and the password. So I will sign up. In the app it says add devices. So after clicking on the add devices, it says which device you want to connect. So here is the W5 model. I can just click on it. And it says either connect with the Wi-Fi using QR code or Ethernet cable. So I will use the Wi-Fi using QR code, and then it says to check if the light is being flashed on the Ethernet. So here we can see the light is flashing, and so the light is flashing. I just click on the flashing, and now it is asking for the Wi-Fi password. Okay, so I just put the Wi-Fi password here.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
Okay, so when I put the password of the Wi-Fi, it gave this QR code, and it is asking to place this QR code in front of the camera so that it will scan the QR code. So I will just hold it like this, and
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi.
okay, so the camera says that the QR code scanning has been successful, and it is trying to connect the Wi-Fi now. Okay, so I have to click few more steps here. I have to click on the next. So it says trying to connect to the Wi-Fi, please wait for 2 minutes. So here you can see the camera is attempting to connect the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Okay, so when the connection is successful, camera says the Wi-Fi is connected, and let's see what comes next. So in the mobile app, I can see it still says wait for
the pairing is successful. You
Okay.
can start using the camera now.
Okay, it says the pairing is successful, and it gave the name of the camera here on the screen, and there is a OK symbol and OK button. So I just click on OK, and it is asking for the starting the free trial for the cloud storage. So at the moment I just skip it, and I will see how it comes. Okay, so now the camera has started giving the video feed. Here you can see this is coming out of the camera. So wow, so I will just keep it like this, and I see how it comes. Wow, so it looks like it has the wide angle camera, and yeah, the video quality is really nice. Video quality is really nice, and I can see the immediate videos. There is no time lagging on the videos. You can see here as well. There is no time lagging on the video. Everything is fine. Cool. Okay, so now we have the new video feed from the camera, and here in the app you can see there are 4 buttons at the bottom. This is one for the speaker volume or muting the speaker, another one is for the mic, and another was for the video, and the 4th one is for clicking the picture. So let's see how this mic works. If I want to talk to the person outside, I have to just press on this mic button and say something. Hello, who's there? Oh, so I can talk to the person outside by pressing on this mic button here. Hello. Wow. And similarly, like I can just click the picture by pressing on this camera icon. So it's really cool feature. Okay, so yeah, For me, the camera is really nice, and I would highly recommend this camera if you want to have a watch outside your home or outside your office, into the garage, or maybe in the garden, anywhere. I've installed it in my garden, and yeah, see, like this rotation of these clamps is really helpful in the installation of the camera. Either you can just put it up and down, or you can rotate it 360 degrees, and yeah, you can fix it on a wall which is suitable for you, and then you can rotate the camera in the direction as you want. That's all about this video, and if you like this video, please do comment, like, and share this video. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can write me in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions. And yeah, please subscribe my channel for the latest videos and updates about the new products. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice time.